Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn JavaScript objects. What is object? How we are going to taking as objects in data types, we are going to seeing here now. See, very simple this one also. So for object declaration, let's see, quite simple. Const as in a variable declaration I have taken for constant variable like values. So the object declaration for a person, if you take, it's nothing but like dictionary items also we can say that. Most of the programming languages will accept this is called as a dictionary. So here curly braces it will be used here. Yeah, it's a terminator. Yes, curly braces. Inside the curly braces, const as a variable and name of the variable is person. So the inside the curly braces we are going to be adding here, it's a data items like first name, last name, age, color or address, pin code, phone number, name, value pairs would be there inside the objects. So here first name, yeah, that equal to like put some colon here. Yeah, colon. What is the name? John. Alright, make it is comma based, and last name colon, it's a string value again, no, Perry, John Perry, comma, and pin code, yes, colon, and take the pin code. If you want to put number, yes, you can put the number. Alright, now comma, email, yes, you can take an email, yes, it is in a double quotes, perry@gmail. So data items are all are written in simply at a single object. Data items are writing as a name value, name with the data item value in a single object. It's a single variable we are assigning with the name value, key value, like a name value or key value pairs we can call it as. In this way we are preparing data organization is happening with comma based. So how simple it is. So if you want to access these things, if you want to access these objects, how simple it is. Like this is a person, no, not fruits, yes, person dot, by pressing dot, see all the what the person object is having like inside key values, object key and value, it is showing here. Let me see here, key value, these are the things are going to be displaying when you press dot. So the first name, person dot first name, you will get the first name. Let's see, save it and run it. John you are getting. If I am like person dot last name, you will get the last name. So making the concatenation of these things, it's quite simple. So let's see, plus plus I'm taking, and inside something is, yeah, John is like what would be the age, email will write person dot email, will I run this first? Let's check. But John is reload, sorry, save this, reload, yes, space if it is required you can put the space, reload, yes. So if you want to make a comma, yes, you can put a comma over here, save it, check it, what you want to place the information about to display, accordingly you may plan it. Okay, and having an email, and if you want to make like a one more parameter which is like a pin code, how I can just simply take this +2, this place I'm taking a copy, after this I'm pasting here, his pin code is what is that, per person dot pin code. Okay, person dot pin code, let's save it and run it. So see, his pin code is coming. Okay, save it, space, reload. So how beautifully we are getting like a data for person John Perry. So the object, by pressing the dot, we are taking these keys. Object, by pressing dot, you are able to accessing the keys from inside the objects. So accordingly, if you are having a group of data, how simply it is accessing one by one. If it is arrays, we are following index positions. If it is object, just take a write down with the person name, like a person, like a variable name. By pressing the dot, you will get the values in the output. How simple it is. Maybe group of persons, maybe group of fruits, cars, vehicles, any object in the world, in real world data. Real world data with a real example, you try to put and practice more and more to get more realistic examples. With the more experience you will get in this. I hope it's very simple and easy lecture. So try to practice more and more. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.